Alright guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how we're going to get started with designing our e-commerce website with WordPress. It's going to be in stages and you need to follow it step after step so you could get how it is being done. Now you've bought your domain, you've bought your hosting, you've linked it up together. Now the first place to start is to go into your hosting account. Now get your domain name / Cpanel. That's how you access your your Cpanel of your hosting account. Now at the point of buying it, you'll be given a username just like the one I have here and a password. So now enter the username and the password and click on login. Now find your way to the first step. Now is we want to install WordPress because that is what we'll be using in developing our e-commerce website. WordPress is one of the best applications that powers millions upon millions of websites, business websites, e-commerce websites, portfolio website, and what have you. But in this case, we shall be using it for designing e-commerce website. So now locate under your hosting account. Once you are logged in here, just find your way there in two different sections: files, databases, domains. Just come to where you have software clause app installer. Well, for other hosting, just find places where you can find all of these applications. So you locate WordPress under the scripts, WordPress. So click on WordPress. You're going to see that it is quite easier than you actually thought. Now, once you are presented with this page, come here under install. Click on install. Now, once you click on install, this page is going to open up. Now, this is the latest version. You can see this is the highest and the latest version of WordPress. You need to be at par with the latest version so that your WordPress site could work with all the functionalities. Now make sure the HTTPS is there, and this is your root domain. Now if you leave this one as the directory, that means your WordPress will be installed under WP/WP. So we want it under the main domain. So just remove this. Now your site name, you could put it here or you can change it in WordPress later on. We're going to change it in WordPress later on, so leave it. So now we're going to give it a username. So let me call it Iblis because you'll be using it to log in. So let me give it a password. I'm going to put a password here, a strong one at that. So once you do that, just go down. You don't have so much to do. You just click on install. Just click on install. Voila. So you can see WordPress, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So WordPress has been successfully installed at, this is your root domain. Now the administrative URL is where you manage your website from, whereby people don't see this. You are the only one that has access to it based on the information you have. If you go to this site now, you're going to see default installation. You can see this is how it comes, the default. So if you want to manage it now, we need to go through the main website /WP admin. So if you go through here now, just a moment. So this is where you managed everything around your WordPress site. If you want to change the theme, if you want to add text, if you want to add color, everything we'll be managed from the WordPress dashboard at this backend. So this video is just meant to show you how to install WordPress. Now when we come back in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change the look and feel of this WordPress website, installing an e-commerce website whereby we can actually get to upload our products, let people see what we have in our store, and then we start doing business with it. So this video is going to end now, and then I see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.